This is the 2024 Keystone Cougar 316RLS. This is the Midnight Edition with automotive grade clear coat. It is a full body paint with frameless windows. This is a rear living with the tables and chairs set up. Give you that extra versatility. There are back blackout curtains on all of the windows. Right across from the TV is your theater seating with powered recliners. Our trifold sofa made with an aluminum frame, so lightweight, easy to get in and out and put away. Fireplace. And then we have our island as well, which is that much more counter space. Of course, 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, full-size refrigerator, and pantry space. So go up. His and hers vanity. And then into the main bedroom. Washer, dryer, and prepped. Large separated closet. Built-in coat hanger and hangers, as well as cubby and shelf. Inverted outlets. This unit does have two 200-watt solar panels and a 3,000-watt inverter. Large pass-through storage. And lithium batteries. 2,000-watt inverter and solar controller. This is available to be sold at Roanoke Camping World. Come on down and see.